Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Dodge Ram side mirror. First, carefully assess the damage to determine if it's just the glass, the housing, or an electrical issue. This initial step saves time and helps you gather the correct parts. You will need basic hand tools, perhaps a trim removal tool, and a new mirror component. Always work in a well-lit area with the vehicle secure. If your mirror glass is cracked or missing, replacing it is often a straightforward repair. Begin by carefully removing any shattered glass, wearing protective gloves. Next, clean the mirror's backing plate and housing thoroughly to ensure a strong bond for the new glass. Apply new adhesive or align the clips, then firmly press the new mirror into position. Hold it for about 30 seconds to ensure it sets properly. A loose mirror housing can be frustrating, causing vibrations and poor visibility. To fix this, you'll typically need to remove the interior door panel to access the mirror's mounting points. Once exposed, locate the 3 or 4 bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Tighten these bolts firmly, but do not over-tighten. Reassemble the door panel carefully afterward. If your power mirror isn't adjusting, the issue might be electrical. Start by checking your vehicle's fuse box for a blown fuse related to the mirrors. Replacing it is a quick fix. Next, inspect the wiring harness for any visible damage or loose connections, especially where it passes into the door. If needed, use a multimeter to confirm power is reaching the mirror's connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.